Everyone, welcome back to the Best Friends Squad.
Today we will be making slime. This is a new recipe. I haven't made it with clear glue, so I don't know if it's actually going to be clear. Well, let's get making
Hopefully it's not.
You're going to need a mixing spoon, 1 tablespoon, a half tablespoon, some baking soda, contact lens solution. Make sure it has boric acid in it, otherwise it won't work. We'll need glue. We only have clear glue. You can use any glue. And you need 1 whole bottle. And food coloring.
Most important. Okay, let's get started.
Okay, let's start making our slime.
We are going to split into 3 with these bags. You don't have to do exactly the thing with the bags. You can split into bowls. You just don't have very much bowl.
So first we're going to empty our glue bottle.
Just take the top off. Yes.
To empty.
There's a bubble of glue.
It's quite fun.
I guess it does make that noise in videos. Okay, that's enough.
Okay, so now we need to mix in our baking soda, and we need a half tablespoon of baking soda.
Wait, no.
And it has to be exact.
I remember what this is for. So you go. Aha.
Then put it in.
Boom. That looks weird. It's like,
next we mix. This is how it looks so far.
They can't see it. The next ingredient Jack will do.
So now that we have that
actually looks really cool.
Okay, now we need our contact lens solution.
Okay,
there we go. Put it in. Okay? Okay, then we need to mix it well. It's forming.
It is?
Totally forming.
Already?
Look.
Oh!
Guys, this is really good slime.
Okay.
It's not really clear, but
now
it's
we shall mix it into the bags.
After
You don't have to do the same thing, just so you know. We were just out of bowls, so we had to use bags.
You don't even have to split it though.
Oh, that's so cool.
Wow, it's bubbly. Wow. Look at that. That's some good slime, guys.
Does anybody want to touch it? Yes. Make sure it's not sticky.
It's not that sticky.
Come on, Kate.
Put into a bag.
Okay, so I'm just gonna add and just keep adding contact lens solution until it's not sticky at all. Okay. Nope, not sticky.
Oh my.
It's still a little sticky, so we're gonna add a bit more contact lens solution. Okay, so now we're going to
Split into the 3 bags.
as long as it's not sticky enough.
Okay, welcome back. We
It took a while to get it not sticky anymore.
but we divided it into 3. Now we are gonna put a couple of drops of the food dye of the color we want into the bag, and then just like mix it around like
Okay,
this.
so does anybody want green?
I am doing teal, so I'll need green and blue.
And I want just blue.
Oh, you're doing red and blue, so you can make purple? Okay.
I'm just gonna add a drop of each.
Yeah, me too. That's why I was putting. Oh, I hope this works. So if you
Why are you putting it in the bag?
guys don't want it to make a mess everywhere, make sure to put it on the slime. Yeah, like that. Don't put it in the bag and then.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, that's so cool.
Wow.
Okay, now don't put too many.
Just put like 1 or
One right
2.
now.
2.
2?
No, 1 for now.
Okay, let me just
I know I
try
need 1.
Okay, did you mix it up out of the bag, Kate?
Yeah.
I didn't really think that was a good idea, so I'm doing.
I might just mix mine.
Whoa, mine's turning like a...
Oh.
Kate, look at mine.
Ooh, it's actually working.
Kate?
Don't. No, put it in the bag. Look what happened to my hands.
This is coming
This looks cool. I may actually just have purple. Mine may just actually, I'm gonna put another drop of blue since it looks more like green. So
I do like green, huh? Mine's like
I know, but I really like teal. Why
it's purple.
Mine is.
I'm doing it the smart way, so I don't have to wash my hands.
I don't care.
Look at mine.
Yours is nice and blue. Show
Mom,
it to
look
the
at
camera.
mine.
I'm trying to make mine teal or at least green.
Kinsley, look
Oh,
at mine.
that's so cool. It's not blue.
But Kinsley, look at mine.
It's okay.
Look at this.
I'm going the messy way now.
Kinsley, look.
That.
Look at this, guys. Look at that. That is great.
Someone help me,
Slime.
please.
Great.
Here, you just puff it really quick.
That worked so well. First it was in a bag and it was like, oh my goodness, this is nothing.
It's not sticky, so I should get it off.
Look at that blue.
This is wonderful.
Mine looks terrible right now.
It's okay. Still slime. Looks a bit messy, but
Yeah, it looks really messy. I mean, look at that. It still looks cool though.
and then just keep kneading until the color forms.
Look at that. It's really great. Jack, look at mine. Yeah, I'm not changing this. This is so cool.
It's like emerald.
Yeah. I like emerald.
I don't know what to call this. More like amethyst purple.
Look at my hands.
Okay, this, I love the
I'm
slime.
gonna add like a touch of blue, maybe.
Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate this slime? 10 is best, 1 is worst.
I think mine is actually really good. It looks really pretty.
I would rate mine a 10. I mean, look at this.
No, we have to rate each other.
I mean, look at mine, Kate. I mean, didn't that blue come out so good?
I say you like about an 8 because I don't really like blue. And for you, I say 9. That looks really cool.
For you, I say a 9. That is so cool. And the texture is also really nice and it doesn't stick to your hands at all.
Literally.
Oh, and make sure that you have boric acid in your contact lens solution. It could be, we used Walgreens.
Okay, let's all show our colors. So this is mine. I love it.
Emerald green. This is mine.
It's a purple, but like a really dark.
A very dark purple. Here.
Mine
I'm
is,
gonna need my wash my hands.
and mine is a very good blue. I was nervous that would not come out good, but
Yeah, me
it
neither. But this actually came
This,
out.
this came out really good. So you see mine. I love blue.
Stretching. So comment down below on who you think
You like the best.
Anyway, give us a thumbs up to this show.
Video.
This video. And smash that like button. Bye. See you
Remember
next
to like, share, and
time.
subscribe.